Sick of maxis panels not presenting your creation properly? Stay tuned as I rush you quickly through this short tutorial. If this video helped you, feel free to hashtag me in the gallery so I can see what you did, or support me by sharing the link by your creation. Hey ho out there, welcome to a very quick tutorial. This is TamiOrca, and without any further ado, let's get right into it. To change the so-called tray files, which are the pictures that present the creation in the gallery, we need a program called Tray Importer. I put the link in the description for you. Now, on the side you can see your entire library organized by saving date. Older creations can be found by using the search bar. It also works with the gallery ID. The highlighted lot is now selected. Its current tray file appears big in the center, similar to the gallery's layout. Then I click Edit and selecting Replace Images. A new window opens up. I click Open Images, that leads me to my PC's library. I edited a few fancy custom panels for this one, but of course you can use any PNG data, like for example screenshots from your game. Note the 3:2 format, otherwise edges will be cut off. With Sims second poses, the format is a very nasty square. Once I pick the image, it can be seen as a preview in this window. I like to put the quality to 100, but I have no idea whether it changes anything with the upload to the gallery. Maybe it's just useful for extracting images from the tray importer, but I do it anyway. Now I click Apply and then Close, for it won't save it otherwise in my version. It's old, so maybe that's a bug. Back in the main menu, I repeat the procedure, selecting the next tray, saving and closing, and so on. Here comes a little life hack I found to have more trays to replace. Depending on the lot, I either build as little basements as deep as possible, or I build floating one-tile floors that you can delete in-game, sometimes even both. For some ridiculous reason, maxis does one-shot a floor instead of a room, or at least depending on the lot size, so that's my way of coping. Once you are done, just close Tray Importer. Back in game, enable CC if you cannot see the template in your library, for it might be already marked CC, however after uploading it definitely will be. So how did you like this tutorial format? Feel free to give your feedback in the comments and leave a follow to support my work. It won't cost you anything, but means a lot to me, and I surely won't spam. In fact, I cannot guarantee a fixed upload rhythm, so getting the notifications might be handy. Anyways, thanks for watching and happy simming.